What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Sean Car YouTube channel. Hey, today it's an unfortunate event. I curved my damn wheels on my truck. When I was in Atlantic City over the weekend, I was going to go around somebody. They have this weird thing about left turns there. They don't really make turn lanes like that. And I thought I could squeeze by. They had a little curb set up right there. No other way along the road. I should have just rode over the curb, but I ended up trying to skirt by and I hit the wheel on the curb real bad. I rashed it up real bad. I'll show y'all. Alright, so I rashed the hell out of this damn thing. Right there, you see it starts. Oh man, it only gets worse, man. It's so bad. But hey, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to fix this curb rash, because it's actually really easy. You could pay somebody to do it, or you could do it yourself. If you got black wheels, this is how you do it. If you have polished wheels, it's actually a little bit easier, I think. But I'm going to show y'all how to do it on black wheels today. And it's dirty back here. Basically what you want to do, you want to use a Dremel. First, use a Dremel with some sandpaper bits like this. Get something like a 60 or 80 grit. Go over it with that, with the Dremel, medium speed. And then you want to hit it with a little bit more fine sandpaper, right? So I'll hit it with the 60 with this. I'll hit it with probably like a 120, and then I'll hit it with a 220. And then after that, what I'll do is I'll hit it with some paint. So for the paint, this is what I got right here. Should work all right. It's high gloss black. So I'm gonna use that, and then I also got a clear. Make sure when y'all get the clear that y'all get a high gloss clear and not a matte clear, because there's two different kinds of clear. Actually, there's a bunch of different kinds of clears, but this one right here, you see it says gloss clear. So I'll show y'all how it ends up. Hopefully it works out good. We'll see. I'm really upset with myself, but y'all do know I got new wheels coming for this thing. These are 2414 Archon Caesars. Love these wheels. They've been great to me. Got a good deal on them. If you guys become an affiliate with custom offsets or anything like that, you guys can get some rewards and stuff like that. But I do have some Liberty Forge 2414s coming for this, and they're going to be a crazy color. They're not going to be black. They're not going to be polished. They're not going to be brushed. It's going to be something totally different. Y'all will be very surprised. So I got about 7 weeks left, but let's go ahead and get into it. That's already helping a lot. Y'all. Alright, y'all, so what I did was I hit it up with some nail polish remover, put it on a cloth, and then I wiped down all the dust and everything right here. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some playing cards and stick them like this and overlap them. So I'm going to put those in there, and then I'm going to tape off the barrel. I actually decided against painting the whole thing. So I'm going to tape it here, and then see what it looks like. Hopefully the blacks match up, but we'll see. Should look decent. Alright, so I went ahead and I put the playing cards in there. If you can get new playing cards, do that. I was just strapped for time. These are just the cards I have at the house. But if you get them new and like you don't play with them a bunch, it's easier to slide them up in the tire, between the tire and the wheel. So I went ahead and did that, and I taped off. So this is the area that I'm basically going to do. I'm going to do a little bit more taping, and then I'm going to hit it with some primer, hit it with some paint, and then hit it with another coat of paint after it dries, and then hit it with some clear. So I figured while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I'm going to put my two-wheel drive Valance on the truck. You see I got the four-wheel drive Valance. It sticks down really far. So I'm going to take that off. It's real simple. You don't need any crazy tools, just some sockets, really. So I'm going to take that off and put the two-wheel drive one on there. If you guys are interested in the two-wheel drive one, I actually sell that on my website. I'll put a link below. Alright boys, this is the new Valance. It's actually the trimmer size Valance, or two-wheel drive. You'll hear people call it different things, but it's a lot smaller than the other ones. And like I said, if you guys want to buy this, click the link below, check it out. It's my website, it's me selling it. I am the seller on there, and yeah, it looks pretty clean. I'm gonna put it on the truck now. Hey, let's just take a moment to appreciate the size difference between these two. Looks way better. All right, the third coat of paint is drying up, so it actually looks pretty good. It's got a nice good gloss on it. So what I'm gonna do is let it dry, throw some gloss on there, clean the wheels up, and then I'll show you guys a little picture of it. It is getting a little dark, so I might have to cut to and show you guys this in the morning. All right, so I got the two-wheel drive or the trimmer Valance on there, whatever you want to call it. You see it looks real good. It is much smaller than the other Valance, so it makes the truck honestly look way bigger with that on there. This is only a level truck, 2.5-inch level, not even a big level. And man, this thing looks massive now. It looks like a beast. Let's go ahead and get these dang cards out of here. This thing looks good, boy. Way better than it did before. You guys saw before it looked like trash. Looks a lot better now. You won't be able to kind of see the curve unless you like really look at it. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. There is a little spot here that the primer really wasn't sticking to the wheel, and then the paint wasn't sticking to the wheel, so I'm gonna go over that with something else, maybe put like some nail polish or something on it. But all in all, I think it looks a little bit better. It's not perfect, but it's a 70% solution, I think. Hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah, 70% solution. I'm gonna run it like this while I keep these wheels, and then once I put the other wheels, I'm gonna sell these. I might take them to get them actually repaired, or get them powder coated before I sell them, because you know I want them to look real good for the next owner. Probably gonna sell it here locally, so I don't want to sell it to somebody and have them all upset with me or pissed off or anything like that. I had a little bit of curb back here that I worked on as well. So all in all, it looks pretty good.